Madison, you want to go to Grandma's house? Who are you going to see at Grandma's house?
Papa, Grandma, and that.
What's the dog's name?
Dog.
Minnie? You want to go see Minnie?
And me.
Who are you gonna go see, Matt? You wanna go?
Yeah.
You want to go to Grandma's house?
West.
Yes?
West.
No, you know my Grandma. You stay home.
Yeah.
You stay home, guys.
You're going to see Grandma? So you can.
Are you going
Are you going to Mama? You going to Mom?
Next one go two.
Nick's going too? You want Nick to go with you?
Can we go two?
Yeah?
I want to go two.
You want to go too?
That want to go two.
You want me to
Can
go
you
too?
Go two?
Kristen?
Mom to go two.
Wow.
Mama.
Hey, Matt, who are you going to see?
Grandma.
Who else?
Mom.
Who else?
Grandma.
Who else?
Papa.
And who else?
And me.
Manny?
Mm,
Yeah.
I want.
You want to go?
Dad.
You want to go?
Go.
You want to go bad, huh? You want to see Grandma?
Mommy.
Oh, you want to go?
Dad. Nick.
You want to go, right? You want to go? You want to get shoes on?
West.
Okay.
West.
Want to go, Ma?
Okay, little girl. Okay, that one took.